Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where Windows 11 is very slow after an update, then please watch this video. Rather, I encounter this problem very often and I'll tell you when it happens. It usually occurs after a cumulative update, after a heavy update, not the regular ones. So, in this case, there is no specific solution to it because if you try localized solutions towards the problems, then they won't work because the breakdown was because of the update itself. So here's what you can try: the two best solutions. Roll back the update. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab and then select Update History. Click on Uninstall Updates. Click on Uninstall and then select Uninstall to remove the update. Okay, and if that doesn't work, then search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on Open System Restore. Click on Next. Select a good restore point. Click on Next. Click on Finish and then finally click on Yes. Okay. And then you can block the update after restoring it and fixing the problem. Right click on the Start button. Select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab. Select on wait select on pause for 5 weeks. Okay, was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.